welcome back. Today is a new day, and today it is day 7 and it is Dia de las Velitas. So in Colombia, we have a tradition called Dia de las Velitas, and it's where you gather with your family and you light up lots of candles and you ask for things. You ask for prosperity, health, you ask for money, you ask for peace, whatever your little heart desires. So every time you light up a candle, you make a wish, essentially. And that is the tradition in my country. So today, we are obviously not in Colombia, but we're gonna have our own Dia de las Velitas party here at our house. Between us, we're gonna light up some candles, and we're gonna be doing some very traditional foods from my country. In case you didn't know, yes, I was born in Colombia. So we're gonna have arepa with queso, I got morcilla, I got some sausage, which is so good. It's like a special sausage. And we are also going to be doing a rice pudding Stephanie style. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Meats are very traditional in Colombia. One of them is a fan favorite, which is the chorizo. It's your like traditional sausage, except they add like seasonings in it and it tastes super good. A lot of people love this. I really like it with a little bit of lime. My favorite is called morcilla. This one is not a fan favorite. A lot of people actually don't like this, and it's essentially blood pudding. Like Scotland, they have their version, we have our version, except ours, they put the casing, the blood with rice inside. It is so good to me, but a lot of people, once again, don't really like it. They're not fans. I don't blame them. It's a unique taste, and you either hate it or you love it. I love it. So those two that you see there are for me. And if you're ever curious, this is kind of the packaging that it comes in. It literally says blood pudding right on the label. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so full. That was a lot of food. It was delicious though. I did want to share with you guys the drink. I also have to get a special Colombian drink. This is manzana flavored, aka apple soda. It is so good. If you ever come across this, it is delicious. I'm sorry, there's chaos behind me. This is just the reality sometimes of filming. They also have one called Colombiana. I don't even know what that tastes like, but it's a special soda from Colombia, and it's really good with beer. If you like mix it, I'll show you guys sometime, but Either or, I love. With that being said, it is time to do the candles. So let's go do it.
Ay, amor, te quiero dar mis días, también darte mis noches llenas de amor. Corazón, hablarle en poesía, cantarle a tu alma.
Alright, you guys, this completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You got a little preview of some of the Colombian traditions that I'm trying to pass down to my family. I've been doing this since I was a tiny little girl, so obviously it's very important for me to pass this down to my little ones. I want to know, what type of traditions do you guys have every Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa that you do with your family? Leave a comment down below. I really want to know. So, like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.